Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. We've got a recent part exchange arrival to show you around here, which is a 2017 Transporter short wheelbase Highline model. It's the 150ps 6-speed manual model in Indian grey. Done just over 58,000 miles. As you can see, it's got the Sportline front styling kit along with the black pack too. Projector style headlights with integral daytime running lights. Now I'm going to run you around every panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. It's 5.5 years old, folks, done 58,000 miles, so it isn't going to be like brand new. But as you can see, paintwork looks in very good order there. There's barely a chip on the bonnet that I can see. Looks lovely and straight down the sides. Our wheels all in good order. It's got red brake calipers too. 4 new tyres fitted recently, and it is on coilover suspension, so it sits nice and low. Sidebars and roof rails with the crossbars too. So if you're into your outdoor pursuits, you've got a stand-up paddleboard or a kayak, you just attach that straight on. Got the gloss black pack going around the wing mirrors too, and the sequential LED side repeaters. A lot of extra bits on this vehicle. It's got a lovely black leather interior. Now this pattern is very similar to the design of the Sportline 60th edition. So really nice pattern. Being a Highline, it's got aircon, cruise control and a heated front screen. This one's also got the Discover Media navigation system too. So you've got the 3 seats up front, 3 in the rear too. This is a Kombi conversion, originally a panel van. We haven't converted it, this is how it came to us. And it has actually got the genuine Sportline 60th edition seats in the rear. So the fronts have just been trimmed to be very similar. 2+1 seating arrangement, so this does lever up. Now you'll notice just behind here, it's got the carpeted VW bulkhead. That's totally removable, you can have that out in 5 minutes. So if you don't want it, it can come out of the vehicle. Rubber rear floor. And carpet lined ceiling panel and side with the integral LEDs. Just something we noted when the floor's been put in here. It's been a floor for twin doors, so just had to add a piece in on the side there. Makes no difference to look or use of the vehicle. You'll never really notice it. We're just pointing it out to you because I've seen it myself. So going around, we'll just have a good look at these panels. All in good order there. It's got some upgraded rear lights too. Nice sort of smoked out effect. Very rare with a solid tailgate as well. Great for security. Obviously nobody can see in the back or break in through that rear window with it not being there. Carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. It's also got this additional rear valance, which looks nice. Rear parking sensors too. Boot area actually in really good order, because if you looked at a few of these, you'll know that quite often after 5.5 years, the amount of wear can really take its toll, but this doesn't look like it's been used for anything heavy at all. Carpet lined sides, look in good order. And just the inside of the tailgate, carpet lined too, which all looks good. Down the side here, again looks like we're dent free down there. Just go over the panels. Just a couple of little marks down there. Again, as I say, folks, this is 5.5 years old, 58,000 miles. Just show you how it stands from the side profile. Sits really well on that coilover suspension. Another great benefit with this one, folks, there's no VAT to pay on top of the sale price. So perfect if you're a private buyer or not VAT registered. 58,749 miles as of today. We'll just have a quick look at the screen. Make sure everything's in order there. Yeah, you can see there's no nasty chips in the screen whatsoever. All looks to be in good order. So in summary, 150 PS, short wheelbase, Transporter Highline, 6-seat, loads of extra bits on there, no VAT to pay. We do take part exchanges and we can offer finance facilities for personal or business customers. So if you're interested, please get in touch. We'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching.